Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video I'm going to show you how to exfoliate dry lips and combat dryness. Yes, and thank you for clicking on this video. So now we are going to start off with our water. So you have to make sure that you clean and pat dry your lips before exfoliating. It's important to ensure that your lips are clean and dry. So actually this means removing any traces of lipstick or gloss and following up by patting dry. So now we are using a cotton pad. Just like wipe gently and don't be so abrasive. Do it gently. Remove any traces of lipstick or lip gloss or whatever dirt is there. So just do it gently, and you can go in with another one like so. I'm going in with another cotton pad just to make sure that there's no traces of any dairy before we exfoliate our lips. So now at this point we're getting a bowl, a clean bowl, and sandalwood essential oil just for aroma, and raw honey, and we're also going to use beetroot powder, a spatula, and some brown sugar. So of course I'm going to link in the description box below all the grams and the recipe. Yes, don't worry about that. Gentle, it's not abrasive. That's the reason why we are going for honey, for sugar I mean. And then for honey, like honey is hydrating and helps speed up the skin renewal process. So like how often can you do this lip exfoliation? So overdoing it have its own downfall. So gentle exfoliation can be performed as often as once a week. So on the quest to transform dry lips, it helps to know what's actually causes flakes to begin with. Our lips don't contain sebum, like renewing this and glands that keeps the skin soft and moisturizing. So when the environment is cold and dry, we expect, especially in winter, like we experience dry lips and cracked lips. So actually our exfoliation is ready, and now we are just combining it, mixing it well. So like exfoliation comes with some serious lip bringing benefits. One main benefit is it removes dead skin. So that's how it looks like. We'd want to eat it because it looks so, it's actually so edible. Yes, so lovely. And to my 37 subscribers, thank you so much guys for your support. So now you have to make sure that your hands are very clean before doing this lip scrub, and make sure that you like get just a little and start exfoliating in circular motions. Don't be very hard, be very gentle. Otherwise, if you end up like irritating and breaking your skin if you are not gentle. So make sure that you are very gentle when doing this. So like if this is your first time on my channel, you can kindly click on that subscribe button and subscribe today, because there are a lot of good things which happen on this channel, like DIY, natural hair, crash like lifestyle, and healthy lifestyle. So many good things, yes, to make your skin glow, your hair grow. So now at this point you have to make sure that you cleanse your lips. You can even go for water, but even a cotton pad can do. Just rub it gently. And then you can go in with another cotton pad just to make sure that our lips are not sticky, are clean. So at this point we are done, and I don't feel any sticky on my lips. It's just okay. So now you have to make sure that you follow up with a moisturizer with a thin layer of lip balm or whatever you're using. So I like Vaseline because it really works good for me. And make sure that you go in with a thin layer, not a thick layer. Yes. So I also use a shea butter, but I've run out of shea butter. So rub it gently, gently. We are almost done. Yes, so make sure that you watch this video until to the end, because I have a very important tip at the end. So we are going in with the avocado oil. Like I like to go an extra mile with whatever oil. So in this case we are using avocado oil. I have a video actually on how you can make cold pressed avocado oil. You can check that out. So just a little, just tap a little and put it on your lips and do it gently, gently, gently. Be gentle, gentle. That's how they look like. So, so, so beautiful. And I'm super, super excited because it's so, so moisturized. And look, our lips are glowing. Yes. Bye bye. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you in my next video. Now the last tip, make sure that you hydrate. Make sure that you are drinking more than 8 glasses of water, because this will help to make your lips stay moisturized and pumped with moisture. Thank you so much, beautiful.